In connection with the Pune hit-and case, we're getting to know that the Juvenile Board has noted that the accused in the case has not been booked under any heinous offence. The board says the crime is serious but not heinous, and therefore it is left with no option but to reject the petition seeking for the minor to be tried as adult. Now, this has caused a lot of alarm because the police wanted the accused to be tried as a adult, but that was not followed by the Juvenile Justice Board. But they are saying that the reason they can't do it is because the sections applied in the case are not heinous, even if they are serious. My colleague Ananya Bhatnagar is joining us with more on this. So the Juvenile Justice Board seems to be suggesting that they couldn't have really done anything else in this case.
Well, definitely, the JJB has categorically gone on to say that, since there is no kind of heinous offence that is attracted against, in fact, the child in conflict with law in this case, or the CCL, there is no kind or nothing that the JJB could do. Interestingly, they've not even carried out the special assessment that is carried out under Section 15 of the JJ Act, completely denying, these petitions by the prosecution on the basis of law. And, this is, Shivani, something that is ambiguity in law that could actually lead for no justice or, a half justice being done for the victims in this particular case, because definitely the crime committed was serious, because a heinous offence as per the law in India, at least as per the BNS and in fact the old IPC, is an offence which is punishable for minimum of 7 years or more. And here the maximum section that is invoked against the child in conflict with law here is in fact section 304 of in fact the IPC, which is in fact culpable homicide not amounting to murder, and this is also not punishable for a minimum of 7 years, and hence this could be a escape route or a loophole that has led for this order of the JJB to come in. Now, the options that are left with, in fact, the Pune police is to either approach the Bombay High Court, but the clearer option or the better option would be to approach the Supreme Court, because the JJB has relied upon a Supreme Court order, in order to actually turn down these petitions that have been filed by the prosecution itself.
All right. The Juvenile Justice Board saying we've only applied the law as it stands, but remember this case has attracted a lot of attention because of the manner in which the accused family is alleged to have tried to cover up evidences and probe in the initial stage.
Network 18 is now the clear leader in digital media, with 55% more users on native platforms and social media than Times Internet. Network 18, the undisputed leader of news networks, way ahead of the times.